హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండి. సో ఆడవారందరికీ కూడా హెయిర్ యాక్సెసరీస్ అంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో ఈరోజు అయితే కనుక డిఫరెంట్ హెయిర్ యాక్సెసరీస్లో అంటే డైలీ వేర్ నుంచి మీకు కంప్లీట్గా పార్టీ వేర్ వరకు కూడా స్టోన్స్లో కానివ్వండి, క్లచెస్, క్లిప్స్, డిఫరెంట్ చిన్నపిల్లల నుంచి పెద్ద పిల్లల వరకు ఆల్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ హెయిర్ యాక్సెసరీస్లోకి అయితే నేను మీ అందరినీ కూడా తీసుకుని వెళ్తున్నానండి. సో మిక్ మ్యాక్ కలెక్షన్స్ అనమాట. సరసిటీ క్యాపిటల్ మాల్లో అయితే కనుక మనకి ఇది లొకేటెడ్ అయి ఉందండి. అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్, కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ అన్ని డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. డెఫినెట్గా మీరు స్టోర్ విజిట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నో ఆన్లైన్ సర్వీస్ అనమాట. సో సార్ అన్నీ కూడా డీటెయిల్డ్గా చూపించేస్తా అంటున్నారు. సో క్లియర్గా ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ దన్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ ఎక్కడ ఏంటి ఎలా.
Hello, good morning friends. My name is Kamal and you have reached Micmac Collections once again. It has been a while we have shoot a video. So this time we have come up with a huge variety, excellent variety of hair accessories. You are at a hair accessory shop. We are located at Sarat City Capital Mall, which is at Kondapur, Kottagoda Chaurasta के सामने. बहुत बड़ा मॉल है, India's largest mall. On 4th floor, opposite AMB Cinema, 4th floor पे ही है हमारा शॉप. By name Micmac Collections is an excellent hair accessories I am going to show you. Amazing varieties. So we'll start with the hair bands today. So if you see here, you will see maximum amazing variety of hair accessories, hair bands. Okay. Approximately it will be 200-300 plus variety of hair bands. इतनी बड़ी रेंज, ऐसी वैरायटी, एक्सक्लूसिव वैरायटी एट रॉक बॉटम प्राइस. यू नो वी आर यूएसपी इज द प्राइस. मतलब जो प्राइस आपको मार्केट में 100 में मिलेगा, हमारे पास 50 रुपीज, 60 रुपीज. दैट मीन्स 30%, 40%, 50% लेस देन मार्केट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम. आई गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो बाय दिस हेयर बैंड. दिस इज वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग पीस. इफ यू सी, it's in trend now. If you go online, you will not get less than 1200, 1250 this kind of variety, but here you are going to get it only for 500 rupees.
Okay.
All right, I'll be showing you more variety rather than giving you the rates and all. Okay, so you get an idea. Even this will cost you 500 rupees. ये 1500-1600 से आपको कम नहीं मिलने वाला.
Okay.
What we do is we buy it and give benefit directly to our consumer. We don't wholesale.
Okay.
It's directly to the consumer. Now if I show you more variety of hair bands, if you close up the camera, these are crystal hair bands. Amazing variety, beautiful variety, excellent quality. Beautiful. You can use for regular purpose, for party purpose. You get different color combination and all. I'm just showing you the samples. Now if you focus the camera here, you're going to get it more variety in crystals hair bands. Now if I show you, these are one of the latest ones. Beautiful, elegant, simple. You can wear it regular party. कैसे भी आप regular पहनोगे भी तो it's going to look very beautiful. Now you're getting different colors. Previously we never used to get these kind of colors like pink, blue, all different type of colors you get, and one of the beautiful variety is this. Now I'm going to show you more variety. Maximum cover up करने की कोशिश करूंगा मैं, ताकि आपको आइडिया आ जाए कि हमारे दुकान में क्या क्या मिलता है. This is specially for the new customers. I mean people who are seeing this video first time. Okay, our regular customers are regular in nature, so they know what kind of variety we have maintain all the time. This time we have come up with beautiful variety, maximum how much we can get it for our customers. See, these are one of the beautiful piece. All right, now I'm going to show you some of the party wear hair bands, like pure stones mein hai, crystals mein hai, and even the pearls. Now if you close up the camera, see, this is a beautiful variety, and you will not believe the kind of price is. Our regular customers, they know the pricing we keep is minimum less than market, like minimum 30, 40, 50% less than market. समझो आपको बाहर ऑनलाइन 500 में मिलेगा तो हमारे पास 250 में मिलेगा, 290 में मिलेगा. ऑलराइट, सो these are kind of variety. Now these are again crown में भी आपको बहुत वैरायटी मिलने वाली है. Now if you focus the camera here, you see more crowns here, and periodically we update, we get maximum variety. So whenever you come, anytime you come, you're going to get amazing variety, maximum variety at rock bottom price. Kam se kam price, less than market, guaranteed less than market. Okay. See, these are kind of the casual hair bands, beautiful with black metal and stones and all, beautiful variety. Now this is one of the latest variety. These are simple with crystals, फ्लावर विथ क्रिस्टल्स. ये एयर बैंड्स ख़राब नहीं होते, ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के एयर बैंड्स है. Alright, beautiful variety. You get lot of color combination. कम से कम 8 से 10 colors आपको मिलने वाले हैं, and with different kinds of designs. Alright, now these are about hair bands. We have so many varieties. For that you have to visit our shop. Again, we are located at Sarat City Capital Mall on 4th floor. On 4th floor by name Micmac Collections. One of the beautiful hair accessory shop. आप एक बार visit करोगे, you are going to love this shop. I mean, you are not going to go out of this shop without buying it. I guarantee you for that. So I'm going to show you now more of clips and all. So if you can focus the camera here, see these kind of regular clips we have. See, these are beautiful variety, excellent quality. Honey company is one of the best company in the world. Alright, see these are small clutches. अब ये clutches का अगर रेट बोलूँ तो it starts some are 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100. मतलब you get pin to motor car as far as accessories is concerned. 30 रुपए से लेके आपको 500 तक clutches मिलने वाले हैं. But again, it will be less than market, guaranteed less than market. Now you visit a mall, great ambience. You can come here, have food, enjoy, shopping. But the kind of rates you are going to get it, the rates will be like, you buy from a general market. You're going to get that rate, but with great ambience. See, now these are banana clips. If I switch to this, these are banana clips. Again, these are honey. You get a lot of color combination, beautiful variety. See, these are clutches. बहुत अच्छा चलता है. हम लोग कम से कम 8 से 10 साल से ये clutches बेच रहे. Prints keeps on changing, but this brand, this quality is excellent. Excellent quality. बहुत durable, बहुत अच्छी quality है ये. Now see, these are small clutches for kids, for teenagers. Beautiful color combination, designs and shapes. Now see, these are regular. These are Ace Company. Very nice quality. These are unbreakable ones. These are milky. You get different color combination and different kind of shapes. These are plain banana clips. Now see, these are clutcher. ये देखिए, बहुत ही beautiful. इसमें color combination prints you're going to get different. The banana which I showed you, this is a small one. Big one I showed you earlier. Now see, these are regular clutchers. बहुत अच्छी quality है ये. Very nice quality. अगर इसका rate बोलूँ तो these are 50 rupees only. And you get around 10 to 12 different shapes and 6 colors in each of them, 4, 5, 6 colors, something like that. Now we switch to side pins. Use side pins. We can check out the rate. See, 100 is MRP. You're going to get it only for 70%. So approximately 30% less than market. Online तो 150 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. And the best part is you're going to get different designs. Beautiful designs. कम से कम 10, 12, 15 designs एक इसमें मिलने वाला है. These are again metal clutches with colors. Beautiful. These are going to cost you only 40 rupees. See, these are metal clutches with different color combination. These are color clutches again. बहुत अच्छी quality है. Very nice. Because these are so small things. Thousands of variety of clutches we have. Accessories we have. So these are plain if you want. I can't show you each and everything, but I'm trying to cover up maximum I can. Now see, these are honey. ये देखिए डिज़ाइन देखिए, मीनाकारी वर्क है इसमें. मतलब plain clutcher है, but with मीनाकारी work and beautiful. These colors, they stay for very long time. Whenever you wear it, it will look new all the time. Because we have experience, we have customers giving us feedbacks, telling that your quality is excellent, your variety is great, and the price is rock bottom price, less than market. Again, 30, 40, 50% less than market आपको मिलने वाला है. This is one of the great malls, Sarat City Capital Mall, and we are located at Kondapur, opposite Kottagoda Chaurasta. We are located on 4th floor. AMB Cinema है, Cinema 4th floor पे ही है, उसके सामने. This is a shop called Micmac Collections. We have amazing variety of hair accessories, different color combination, beautiful variety. And वो जो मैंने आपको clutches बताए बड़े वाले 50 वाले, इसमें छोटे वाले हैं. Alright, these are small ones. These are going to cost you 40 rupees. Now, if I show you more premium range of clutches, we have premium range of clutches for party wear, for regular wear. The kind of price we are offering people, they buy it casually, they buy it on a regular basis. See these now, beautiful. If you see the color combination, beautiful with crystals and all. We try and get in bulk the quantity, and we try and give maximum benefit to our direct consumer, direct customers. हमारे पास customers आते हैं, they know we don't bargain. There is no bargain at all. You buy 1 clip or 10 clips, prices are fixed. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the price. So these are again big clutches. Now if I show you, see, these are beautiful ones. We sell like hotcake. These ones with print and all. You get different prints and beautiful variety. See, this is one of the, these are France Creation is the name of the company, और बहुत अच्छी quality है इसके, color chart, color combination, when you wear it, it'll very nice and very durable also, very nice quality, excellent quality. Now if we switch to these kind of metal clutches, see this beautiful variety of metal clutches. You can use for regular use, you can use it for party purposes. You get rose gold, antique color, silver color, gold color. Now see, these are fast moving articles, one of the beautiful variety. ये देखिए बेहतरीन क्वालिटी, एक्सेलेंट वैरायटी एट अ रॉक बॉटम प्राइस यू आर गोइंग टू गेट. एज वी हैव मैक्सिमम वैरायटी, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू द रेट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट व्हेन यू कम, you visit here, you will see the kind of price, what is MRP and what is the sale price. And as far as the price is concerned, prices are guaranteed price and we don't bargain, so nothing to worry about the quality or the price and everything. And this shop is pretty old. Okay, we have put the video many a times. Now it has been a while. We have after a long time we are shooting the video. For some reasons we were unable to do it. So if you compare to previous video, you will find more variety. Yes. More variety. See, these are stone ones. बहुत छोटे, ये छोटे बहुत अच्छे चलते हैं हमारे पास. Very nice. ये metallic है. These are crystals. Again, these are pearls. If you closely see these are beautiful varieties. से छोटे छोटे clutches बहुत चलते हैं, बहुत डिमांड में रहते हैं और कस्टमर्स हमारे से बहुत पूछते हैं. So we have maximum. We understand our customers, हम requirement क्या है, क्या चीज़ है, हम कितना बेस्ट दे सकते हैं. So we have come up with these kind of small clutches. Now if we go with these are again crystal collection है. Crystal collection मतलब ये clutches के ऊपर crystal flower and all. That's the same thing. Banana we have, alright, small banana. In this we have big banana also. I'm going to show you. Now this is a kind of a different variety of banana. Alright, now see, I mean यूँ बांध के ऐसा lock कर देते हैं. See, even this is the same kind. This is fast moving article. Beautiful variety, excellent quality and a rock bottom price. Now if I show you these kind of small clutches are anytime in demand. ये देखिए, these are butterfly ones. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, इसमें डिफरेंट वैरायटी भी है. These are original AD stones. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है, लॉन्ग टर्म तक चलता है, बहुत लंबा चलता है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. Now if you want big clutches, we have like big metal clutches with beautiful color combination, stones, right, and meenakari work is there. So as far as variety is concerned, excellent variety, beautiful variety for any occasion, for any purpose you want. This is the best shop for you. Again, I'll say we are located at Surat City Capital Mall on 4th floor by name Micmac Collections. Is one of the oldest shop, right? Now see this. This is again with the pearl, bada clutcher. Pearl में है, pearl में भी we have 2-3 different variety. Again at a rock bottom price. If you see this variety, even this is big clutcher. See, this is big clutcher, बहुत अच्छी quality है. These are original AD stones. These are for party wear if you want. See, beautiful articles. See the shining in it. Beautiful shining. इसमें 1, 2, 3 different variety we have. Now, if we switch to small clutches, beautiful. If you close up the camera, ये बहुत अच्छी variety है, बहुत beautiful variety है. Right? So we have thousands of variety. It starts from 70 rupees, 80 rupees, 100 rupees, 150, 200, 250. Rates are written on each and every product, so you don't have to worry about as far as rates are concerned. It is, we are equal with everyone. Even in our relations, if someone come from our cousins also, they have to pay the same rate because we know we are giving wholesale price to customer. Okay. So we don't have practice of bargaining. So you be rest assured about the quality and the price. Now see, these are again small clutches में बहुत variety है, pearl से लेके stone से लेके बहुत variety है. You'll be amazed when you visit here. Now if I show you these kind of beautiful stone clutches, these are in trend now. Okay, these kind of clutches. See with this butterfly, ये छोटा सा है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा है. यूँ यहाँ पे भी बांधोगे, it will look beautiful, it will look very nice. Now see, these are big again stones के ये बहुत प्रीमियम स्टोन्स हैं, सो इसकी शाइनिंग जाती नहीं है. सो व्हेनेवर यू वेयर इट लुक्स ग्रेट. ऑलराइट, नाउ सी वी हैव पर्ल. ये पर्स के स्टाइल में क्लचर है. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ ज़ाया कंपनी. ज़ाया इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड. वी हैव सोल्ड thousands of such clutches. These are new ones, so you can visit at our place, alright, to explore the variety. Alright, and even you can tell your family members and friends to visit this shop. You should visit this shop because this kind of variety you're not going to and get anywhere because as this is we are located at opposite AMB cinema. अभी सिनेमा में भी हम कस्टमर्स आते हैं, सो इवन कस्टमर्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड हैदराबाद व्हेन दे विजिट हियर फॉर एक्सप्लोरिंग हैदराबाद दे डू विजिट दिस प्लेस. इवन you know they pass by and they see the shop, they enter the shop and they become permanent customers. Reason is one, excellent variety, beautiful variety and rock bottom price. अभी साइड क्लिप्स पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो देखिए साइड क्लिप्स में बहुत बेहतरीन वैरायटी. दीज आर मीनाकारी वर्क, दीज आर स्टोन्स. ये 3 पीस का सेट है मैम, 4 पीस का सेट आता है, 2 पीस का सेट आता है. वैरायटी इज लाइक अल्टीमेट, वैरायटी इज मैक्सिमम, ब्यूटिफुल वैरायटी. ऐसी रेंज, ऐसी वैरायटी आपको कहीं नहीं मिलने वाली है. नाउ सी दीज आर साइड क्लिप्स विथ लॉक विथ स्टोन्स. वी हैव साइड पिन्स अगेन विथ स्टोन्स, ओके, ट्विन में. नाउ दीज आर सेंटर क्लिप्स. इफ यू सी सेंटर क्लिप्स में आपको डिफरेंट वैरायटी, डिफरेंट रेंज मिल जाएगा. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू 100 रुपीज ओनली. 150 इज MRP. इट्स गोइंग टू गेट इट फॉर 100 रुपीज. अभी 100 रुपीज से स्टार्ट होके 150, 200, 250, 350, 550, 650 तक मिलेगा. जो 250 वाला है बाहर आपको कम से कम 500 स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा. जो 500 वाला है कम से कम 1500 में मिलेगा. ऐसी क्वालिटी की चीज, मतलब जैसे क्वालिटी बढ़ेगी वैसे रेट उसका अकॉर्डिंगली रहेगा. बट एक बात बोल सकता हूँ, गारंटेड प्राइस लेस देन मार्केट, 30, 40, 50% less than market, because the customers they you know see the product, they know it. अरे वाह, ये इसका इतना रेंज, इसका वैल्यू रहना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 650 MRP, इट्स गोइंग टू कॉस्ट 450. सो 100 रुपए वाला भी है हमारे पास, 450 वाला भी है. बट ये चीज आप देखोगे ना, एक एक वर्क किया गया है, द काइंड ऑफ स्टोन्स इट्स यूज, ये आपको बड़े स्टोर्स में 950, 1000 से कम नहीं मिलेगा. एंड पीपल दे बाय इट बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव ऑप्शन. इफ यू विजिट दिस स्टोर यू हैव ऑल द ऑप्शंस, even you want for marriage purpose or probably party wear purposes. Now you see these are again mint बोलते हैं इसको, the kind of color, beautiful article. This is one of the beautiful article. If I see the price 290 only, 450 MRP आपको 290 में मिलने वाला है. ये आपको 290 में कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा. And people who are watching videos, they have an idea, they wear this kind of product, they know ये 290 में नहीं मिलने वाला है. कम से कम 600-700 बड़े बड़े स्टोर्स में मिलने वाला है. ऑनलाइन तो बात ही मत करो, ऑनलाइन यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन में सस्ता प्रोडक्ट बिकता है, अच्छी प्रोडक्ट नहीं बिकता है कम से कम. सो इफ वी स्विच दीज काइंड ऑफ अगेन सेंटर क्लिप्स में, ब्यूटिफुल सेंटर क्लिप्स में कम से कम मैम मेरे पास 20 to 25 एक्सक्लूसिव वैरायटी मिलता ही मिलता है at any given time. Okay. At any given time. See, these are crystals and all. Beautiful varieties. If you close up the camera, see, इसका shining देखिए, matte finishing, glossy. I mean, the kind of variety is beautiful, beautiful. Now, these are regular ones. Okay, regular ones. If we see 100 rupees each. So, हमारे पास regular से लेके exclusive, party wear, regular wear, you can. See, these are side pins with lock again, but these are again crystal है, इसमें AD stones है, इसमें आपको बहुत सारी रेंज, बहुत सारी वैरायटी मिलने वाली है. Beautiful variety, beautiful range, excellent variety. Now these are rubber bands again with AD stones. If you focus on this, rubber bands with AD stones. ये भी पूरा wholesale price मिल रहा है आपको. ये this price you're going to get wholesale price, and this is for everybody. Now these are big clutches, you see. ये फर वाले हैं क्लचेस में, कलर्स 5-6 मिलेंगे. दीज अगेन सारी पिन, यू कैन से, इसमें बहुत सारे डिज़ाइंस भी मिलने वाले हैं मैम. दीज आर एनी टाइम running article. All right, now see, these are again sari pins or brooch, you can say. This you get 10, 12, 15 different variety in each this thing. See, beautiful. Now ये टाइप के साड़ी पिन भी मिलने वाले हैं, X टाइप. Now these are regular साड़ी पिन्स, but this is going to cost you 150 rupees. इसमें कम से कम 25 से 30 different variety with all colors you are going to get it. See, matte finishing, okay, मैट फिनिशिंग में डिफरेंट शेप्स आएगा, स्टोन्स में डिफरेंट शेप्स आएगा आपको. 1, 2, 3, 4 दीज मोस्टली आर 150 में 25 से 30 वैरायटी विथ 250, 200, 250, 300 आपको अलग अलग रेंज में, अलग अलग क्वालिटी में मिलने वाला है. दीज आर भी बच्चों के लिए कड़े हैं, बैंगल्स है. दीज आर अगेन बिग जंबो क्लचर्स. These are Ace company, these are unbreakable ones. In this you're going to get different sizes. Now if you focus here ma'am, I'm in the camera, see these are different kind of clutches. मैं 2-3 आपको पिक करके बता देता हूँ तो हमारे कस्टमर्स को आइडिया आ जाएगा what kind of variety we are talking about. इसमें भी आपको 10-10, 12-12 शेप्स मिलने वाला है. वी हैव सेंटर क्लिप्स रेंज ऑल्सो. वी है साड़ी पिन्स में और या ब्रोश में और प्रीमियम वैरायटी भी यहाँ रखी हुई है. So you have an option. Now see, these are again side pins. Okay, different variety, different range and all. So these are also side pin with lock. ये side pin with lock वाले हैं. राइट नाउ सी दीज आर पार्टी वेयर सेंटर क्लिप्स, ये पूरे एडी स्टोन्स के प्रीमियम वैरायटी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी के हैं, बट एट रॉक बॉटम प्राइस। सर प्राइस आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा। व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू विजिट आवर शॉप एनी टाइम। वी आर ओपन 365 days. We are open 365 days. We can't close the shop until unless it's an emergency. So you can visit at our store anytime. In case if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us for address or something. Address will be mentioned, but in case कोई question होता है तो आप WhatsApp कीजिए. We'll be happy to answer your query. But it will be no wholesale. For that, it's only retail. For we are giving benefit directly to our customer, for our end user. Now there are beautiful hair bands, so you can visit and explore it. Now if you see here, मैम वी हैव बिंदीज ऑल्सो। आपको 30 रुपये से बिंदी स्टार्ट होगी, 30, 40, 50 से लेके 250 रुपीज़ तक बिंदीज हैं हमारे पास। राइट 30, 40, 50 में भी आपको बहुत वैरायटी मिलेगी। आई मीन आई हैव सीन कस्टमर्स बाइंग 10, 12 शीट्स। यू गेटिंग इट, दिस इज एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी है। इसमें ये स्किन खराब नहीं होएगा। मैं 5 रुपये 10 रुपये वाली की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वो क्वालिटी है भी नहीं। ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी, एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी है। ये कंपनी बहुत बड़ी है। ओके नाउ इफ वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट बिंदीज, सो वी हैव, ये देखिए रिच की बिंदीज है हमारे पास। दीज आर ऑल प्रीमियम बिंदीज। ये बिंदीज में ही आपको 50 रुपीज़ से लेके 250 तक रेंज मिलने वाला है। प्राइजेज आर रिटन ऑन ईच एंड एवरी कार्ड, सो यू हैव नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट इट। और गारंटेड प्राइस है। नाउ इफ यू सी दीज आर crunchies and we called it as Madhubala, right? This is the name, and these are beautiful variety, excellent quality। अगर आप फील करोगे ना, इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही प्रीमियम है। मार्केट में आपको इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं मिलेगी, आपको बहुत पतले पतले कपड़े मिलेंगे। ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है। दीज आर गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू ओनली 70 रुपीज़ ईच मैम, 70 रुपीज़ ईच। आपको कम वाले मिलेंगे, आप ये आके टच करोगे ना तो आप बोलेंगे नहीं दिस इज 150 वर्थ, आपको 70 में मिल रहा है। ऑलराइट, सो यू गेट डिफरेंट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन। नाउ बनाना में ऐसी रेंज, ऐसी वैरायटी, ऐसी क्वालिटी आपको कहीं कोई हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में कोई शॉप नहीं है जहाँ पे इतनी बड़ी रेंज है। हमारे पास प्लास्टिक रेंज है, नॉर्मल रेंज है, प्रिंटेड, प्लेन, वो तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा आपको। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट दिस काइंड ऑफ क्रिस्टल, फ्लावरी एंड ऑल एट अ रॉक बॉटम प्राइस। ये एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी रेंज है, आपको रॉक बॉटम प्राइस में मिलने वाला है। मार्केट से 30, 40, 50% लेस, गारंटेड लेस। नाउ दीज आर सेंटर क्लिप्स अगेन। इसमें नॉर्मल रेंज भी है, इसमें प्रीमियम रेंज भी है, सब है, सब पे रेट्स लिखा हुआ है। सो यू नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट द प्राइस। प्राइस इज गारंटी, इवन आफ्टर परचेसिंग प्राइस इज गारंटी, मैं बोल सकता हूँ। क्वालिटी इज एक्सेलेंट। नाउ सी दिस इज ऑल्सो बनाना क्लिप। ये क्रिस्टल्स के हैं मैम। ओके क्रिस्टल्स, दीज आर वन ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल क्रिस्टल्स वी हैव। नाउ सी इफ आई शो यू दिस काइंड ऑफ क्लचर, ब्यूटिफुल क्लचर। और इसका इवन इट्स नॉट ओनली दिस, इवन दिस क्वालिटी एस कंपनी का क्लच यूज़ किया गया है। सो इसकी क्वालिटी बेस्ट है, बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड इसका क्लच रहेगा। तो इवन इफ यू वेयर रेगुलर ऑल्सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू स्टे। नाउ सी दीज आर अगेन ब्यूटिफुल आर्टिकल। ये भी वन ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल आर्टिकल है। अगर मैं आपको क्लोज करके बताऊँ, सो दीज आर पर्ल्स, फास्ट मूविंग आर्टिकल्स। दीज आर अगेन क्रिस्टल्स, ब्यूटिफुल वैरायटी। ये आप रेगुलर पहनो, मेरे कस्टमर्स है रेगुलर लेके जाते हैं। नाउ दीज आर अगेन सेंटर क्लिप्स, राइट? नाउ दीज आर अगेन क्लचर्स विद क्रिस्टल। इतनी वैरायटी, इतनी रेंज, ब्यूटिफुल वैरायटी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इट। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू विजिट एट आवर स्टोर। वी आर लोकेटेड एट Sarat City Capital Mall on 4th floor by name Micmac Collections. Any query you can WhatsApp on the number which is in the description. Now if I show you these kind of baby clips, baby clutcher clips है ये पूरे बेबी क्लिप्स है। नाउ दीज आर गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू 40 रुपीज़ ओनली। ये मार्केट में को 70-80 रुपये में मिलेंगे, हमारे पास पूरा होलसेल प्राइस मिलेगा आपको 40 रुपीज़। 40 रुपीज़ में ही आपको कम से कम 20 से 25 वैरायटी मिलने वाली है। सी दीज आर these kind of pair 50 रुपये, only 50 rupees. These are wholesale price actually is a sale going on, so you're getting at a throwaway पे। ये pair है 50 rupees मैम। So these are 40 each. Prices are written on each and every box.
Yes.
If we are not able to mention on each and every product, it's mentioned on each and every box. So this is a net price, sale price. So there is no confusion at all. Now see, these are also clips and all. All right, so these are very beautiful variety. Now these are again tic tac and all. Now these are jumbo combo pack we say. All right, combo pack में आपको 120 रुपीज़ से लेके 250 तक full range मिलने वाली है। See even these are also beautiful variety. 100-120 के हैं ये मैम। So if I show you the variety, these are one of the beautiful varieties. So इसमें कम से कम 5, 6, 8, 10 articles मिलने वाले हैं at any given time. These are combo packs again. Now these are side pins. You know, this card is going to cost you 50 rupees. Prices are mentioned on each and every card, each and every product. All right, so these are against you know, the side pins which I showed you earlier. इसमें और बहुत range मिलने वाली है. We do keep nail paints also. Nail paints usually you get it for 50 rupees each, 100 rupees each. Again, it is a sale price, wholesale price. ये 50 वाले हैं, हमारे पास 100 वाले भी रहते हैं. So as the stock comes, it will be updated. So 50 rupees वाले, 100 rupees वाले, both you are going to get it. Now these are Ace company का you know clutches है, बड़े jumbo clutches है. ये jumbo clutches आपको बड़े clutches जो है ना, आपको 50 rupees से लेके 90 rupees तक मिलेगा. और सुपर जंबो एकदम बड़े बड़े वो 100 120 में भी मिलने वाला है, बट दोज आर अनब्रेकेबल वंस. बेस्ट क्वालिटी एस कंपनी का रहेगा. ऑलराइट, आई शोड यू these are super running articles मैम. these are hair bands. ये आपको पूरे इंडिया में क्या पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये रेट नहीं मिलने वाला है. this is an attraction for our customer actually. there is no profit perspective से हमने नहीं रखा है. every day we sell 10 20. अभी आप मानोगे नहीं, this is the only stock left because we have sold so many कि हमारे backend में stock नहीं है. so we give it for 500 is not the rate, but to serve our customers, to make customers happy, we are giving at a cost to cost price. Now if I show you these, you get beautiful chains. बच्चों के chains मिलेंगे आपको. इसमें lights वाले भी आते हैं, colorful. you get these kind of chains. these are also beautiful ones, again less than market. all right, so you know we have beautiful rubber bands, crunchies. if अगर आप नीचे से यहाँ, ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. इसमें 30 रुपए, 40 रुपए, 50 रुपए फ्लैट रेट सब पे लिखा है मैम. नाउ दीज आर वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी. यू गेट 50 रुपीज़, 30 रुपीज़, 70 रुपीज़ तक आपको मिलने वाला है. सी दीज काइंड ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल वैरायटी. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू 50 रुपीज़. रबर बैंड्स में कम से कम 50 वैरायटी हमारे पास, 50 डिफरेंट वैराइटीज. सी अगर आप यहाँ से कैमरा अगर घुमाएंगे तो. So in order to explore more variety, please visit our shop. is one of the beautiful shop. Believe you me, आप एक बार आओगे तो you will say yes, we have visited the store and you should visit it. Okay, now I think I missed on this. See, this is again Veni, पूरी range है, पूरी variety है. Market से कम आधा रेट, मिनिमम 50% लेस देन मार्केट. ऑनलाइन ये क्वालिटी इतनी प्रीमियम है मैम, आपको मार्केट से हाफ प्राइस मिलेगा. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 150, 250, 350, 450 टिल 550, 650, बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर 250, 350 वैसे रेंज में है. सो व्हेन यू विजिटेड, यू नो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑन दिस. इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल वेनीज. आजकल बहुत चल रहा है बिकॉज मैरिज सीजन भी है. इवन ऑन रेगुलर पार्टी वगैरह के हिसाब से भी चलते रहता है हमारे पास. ऑलराइट, सो वील क्लोज अप दिस वीडियो. I mean, you can visit at our shop. We are located at 4th floor, Sarat City Capital Mall. Any query, you can WhatsApp on the number. We'll reply you on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు ఏదైనా బిజినెస్ చేస్తున్నా, ఆల్రెడీ మీకు ఏదైనా షాప్ ఉండి మీ యొక్క బిజినెస్ని మా ఛానల్లో కనుక ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటున్నారా, లేదు మీరు రీసెలర్ అయ్యి మీ యొక్క కలెక్షన్స్ని, మీ బిజినెస్ని ఇంకా కూడా గ్రో చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే కనుక హౌస్ హోల్డ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ యొక్క ఛానల్ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చున్నానండి. డెఫినెట్గా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు ఎవరైనా కనుక ప్రమోట్ చేయించుకోవాలనుకుంటే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.